Chapter 4: Autosuggestion, the medium for influencing the subconscious mind. Main idea. In Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill introduces autosuggestion as the method to reprogram the subconscious mind for success. He explains that our dominant thoughts shape our reality, and we can control these thoughts through repetition of affirmations, visualization, and emotional belief. Autosuggestion acts as a bridge between the conscious and subconscious mind. By continuously feeding positive, goal-oriented thoughts into the subconscious, we condition ourselves for success. Hill's core idea is, your subconscious mind accepts whatever thoughts you repeat with emotion, whether positive or negative. Thus, autosuggestion is a tool for shaping belief, strengthening desire, and overcoming doubt. Key concepts in Chapter 4. 1. What is autosuggestion? Autosuggestion means consciously influencing your subconscious mind through repeated thoughts and affirmations. It is not just positive thinking, it is a systematic practice of controlling thoughts to reinforce beliefs. Hill states that our subconscious mind is like fertile soil. Whatever we plant, positive or negative thoughts, will grow. 2. The subconscious mind acts on repeated thoughts. The subconscious does not differentiate between true or false, possible or impossible. It simply accepts what we repeatedly tell it. Negative thoughts, fears, and doubts also enter the subconscious if they are repeated often enough. This is why many people fail. They unknowingly feed their minds with thoughts of failure, fear, and limitation. 3. How to use autosuggestion effectively. Hill provides a practical step-by-step method for using autosuggestion. 1. Write down your goal in precise terms, e.g., I will earn 1 Indian rupee crore by December 2026 through my business. 2. Read your goal statement aloud twice daily, once in the morning and once before bed. 3. Visualize yourself already achieving your goal. Imagine what success looks like. 4. Feel the emotions associated with success, excitement, confidence, and gratitude. 5. Avoid negative influences, reject doubt, fear, and negative self-talk. 6. Emotional engagement is the key. Mere repetition of words is not enough. The subconscious mind responds to emotions, not just logical statements. If affirmations are said without belief or enthusiasm, they have no impact. Example, saying, I am confident in a dull tone won't work, but saying it with strong conviction will. 5. The danger of negative autosuggestion. Many people use autosuggestion unknowingly in a negative way. I am not good enough. I always fail. I don't have the skills to succeed. These negative affirmations program the subconscious for failure and low self-esteem. Hill warns, if you don't deliberately program your mind for success, the world will program it for mediocrity. Analysis of Chapter 4. Why does autosuggestion work? 1. The science behind autosuggestion. Modern neuroscience confirms that repeated thoughts create neural pathways in the brain. The reticular activating system, RAS, in our brain filters information based on what we focus on. If we constantly focus on success, our brain starts noticing opportunities and solutions that align with that belief. 2. Real-life examples of autosuggestion in action. A. Andrew Carnegie's use of autosuggestion. Carnegie, one of the richest men in history, used daily affirmations to reinforce his self-belief. He mentally rehearsed success and trained his subconscious mind to stay focused on wealth creation. B. Muhammad Ali's self-affirmations. Ali repeatedly told himself, I am the greatest. His words were not just confidence boosters, they conditioned his subconscious mind to believe in his superiority. As a result, he trained harder, fought smarter, and dominated boxing. C. Jim Carrey's $10 million check. Jim Carrey wrote himself a $10 million check for acting services rendered long before he became famous. He visualized himself cashing that check daily until he got his first major movie deal worth exactly $10 million. How to apply autosuggestion in daily life. 1. For wealth and career growth. Instead of saying, I am struggling financially, say, money flows to me easily and abundantly. Instead of thinking, I am stuck in my job, affirm, I am attracting better career opportunities every day. Oprah Winfrey specialized in media and personal brandings, became a media mogul. 2. For confidence and self-improvement. Replace I am not good at public speaking with I am a powerful and confident speaker. Replace I don't have enough experience with I learn and grow every day, becoming more successful. 3. For health and fitness. Say, I am full of energy and my body is strong and healthy instead of I feel tired all the time. Key learnings from Chapter 4. 1. The subconscious mind accepts repeated thoughts as truth, whether they are positive or negative. 2. Autosuggestion works only when combined with strong emotions and belief. 3. Negative self-talk is a dangerous form of autosuggestion. Replace it with empowering affirmations. 4. Daily visualization and affirmations help condition the mind for success. 5. Great achievers from Carnegie to Ali have used autosuggestion to shape their success. Final thoughts. Chapter 4 teaches us that our thoughts control our destiny, and autosuggestion is the tool to direct those thoughts toward success. Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. By consciously choosing positive affirmations, visualizing our goals, and repeating them daily with emotion, we can reprogram our subconscious mind for extraordinary success.